Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Satisfactory with a controller. Satisfactory does not offer native controller support, so you will need to use third-party software to map your controller inputs. Steam Input is an excellent and widely used tool for this purpose, allowing you to create custom configurations. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can enjoy your factory building experience with the comfort of a gamepad. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced customization options. To begin, if you purchase Satisfactory outside of Steam, add it as a non-Steam game to your library. Next, launch Steam in big picture mode and navigate to the game's controller configuration settings. Here, you can choose from various community-created layouts or start building your own from scratch. Focus on mapping essential actions like movement, building, and interacting with the world to ensure a smooth initial experience. For effective control, assign movement to the left analog stick and camera control to the right analog stick. Map crucial actions such as jumping, sprinting, and interacting to the 4 face buttons for quick access. Utilize the shoulder buttons and triggers for building, dismantling, and switching between tools. Consider implementing radial menus for quick access to a wide array of items and functions, enhancing your gameplay flow. To truly optimize your experience, experiment with different sensitivity settings for both camera and movement until it feels just right. Create distinct action sets for different scenarios, such as a dedicated building mode versus a combat mode, to streamline your controls. If your controller supports it, leverage gyro controls for incredibly precise aiming. Remember, you can always share your custom layouts or import others from the community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.